Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Do 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 shaboom.
Hey guys, it's Sadie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a room tour of my room, and yeah, and I'll go through and explain like where I got things and stuff, so that if you're interested in getting things, I'll be talking about it. Feel free to subscribe, comment down below any questions you have or any suggestions you have for videos, and also give this video a thumbs up and follow my Instagram down below. So yeah, let's get into the video. So right when you come in, on my left is my dresser. My dresser's from Overstock, I believe. So yeah, that, and then this cinema light, I think is what it's called, is from Amazon, and it lights up, but I think it's out of batteries right now. Here's a cactus, or a plant, succulent, that I got for my birthday, but I kind of killed it, so trying to bring him back to life. So yeah, here's my record player. I got it for Christmas, but I believe it's from Amazon. I'm not quite sure. And the salt lamp, I think that's what it is. It's from Amazon too. And then the fake plant is from World Market. And then behind my dresser, I have a big tapestry that I got off of Amazon. And the pictures that are hung up, I ordered on Shutterfly, along with these pictures right here. I'll show you guys that in a minute. And then once you come past my dressers, my all my records, and then just a bunch of art. One of these fell off, so I gotta find it. Yeah. And then here is my desk. My desk is from Overstock. And my lamp is from Target. Same with the plant, fake plant. You guys should go check her out. She's really cool. Yeah, I like watching her. Here is my microphone that I record my songs on, and those are my Harry Potter books. And that's a dream catcher from Amazon. And then here in the middle is my hanging chair. I love this chair. It's really comfortable and stuff. That's from Amazon. And then this, I'm not sure what that's called, but that's from Target. And then these are my instruments. I don't know where that piano came from. We've had it for a long time, so I'm not sure where we got it. And then here, once you come in from the door, on your right is my bed. This is from a store called Black Lion. It's really cool. It's got like storage underneath, and it's cushioned. And then here's my bed. My bed's from Overstock, and also my bedside tables are from Overstock. Here is this plant I got from, or this like fake plant I got from Forever 21. This lamp I got from Target. That I got for my birthday from a friend. And then that's Young Living. And so that's my bedside table. Hey guys, I'm here editing this video. I realize it's super shaky. I'm really sorry about that. If you get motion sick really easily, I'm sorry. I was filming this on my phone because I don't have a camera yet. I'm gonna get one soon. But it's not great quality and it's really shaky, so please don't hate on me. I'm trying my best. But yeah, also it's really late and I have pimple cream on my face and I'm looking #rough. I'm so sorry that it's so shaky, and yeah, I guess let's get back to the video. And then the pictures on either side of my bed, I got from Target. So here's my bed. I got this blanket for Christmas, and then my comforter is from Target. Same with all my pillows and stuff. So there's that. And then here's one of my favorite parts of my room is my picture wall. Eventually I'm gonna have like a bunch of pictures like all the way up and down, but I'm just waiting till I can order a bunch at a time. So yeah, that's my picture wall of all my friends and stuff. And I love that part of my room. And then here is the other side of my bed. The same bedside table, obviously. And then the lamp is from Target. And then the plant is from Target too. And then this I got from a friend. I'm not sure where she got it. And then the mirror's from Target and the basket's from Target. And it just has all my fuzzy blankets, because I love fuzzy blankets. Who doesn't? And then that's my camera. Where's that? My mirror. And then here are these shelves. I don't know where all these things came from. I got that for Christmas and that for my birthday, but yeah, here are my shelves. And then this is my closet, and this is my bathroom. I'll show my bathroom in a minute. But here's these shelves. This is just a bunch of Harry Potter candy I got from Harry Potter World. So yeah, that's my room. And now we're gonna go into my bathroom. I have a free roaming bunny. She's right there. Her name is Chewy. She's my best friend. Yeah, she comes out, but right now she's in there because I'm making this video. But here's my bathroom. I'll just do a big circle, and here's my scrunchie collection. And then my makeup and stuff is in there, but I love my shower curtain. I got that from Amazon, I'm pretty sure. And then here's my mirror. I love it because it's like, it's got this like ring light, and so the lighting's really good. And then here's my sink. It's like really bougie, but you know, yeah. And then those are my shelves, and that's my bathroom. I hope you guys enjoyed that room tour. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more pictures, I guess, or things about me. And feel free to comment down below any questions you have for me, and I'll answer them. Bye.